Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. This is going to be an interesting video as I have slightly lost my voice due to hay fever. I don't know about you, but in this heat and with the high pollen levels, my throat is dying. But just get over that, please ignore my voice. In today's video, I'm going to be creating another festival look. I'm going to be continuing on with my festival look series, and today is a drum roll, please. Rhinestones or gemstones or whatever you call them. So last time we did more of a eyeshadow look, and today we're focusing on rhinestones. So this is the look that I'm going to create. And if you like the look of that, please stick around to the end of the video. Before I start the video, could you please hit the thumbs up button if you do enjoy this video, and also subscribe to see more festival looks. Alright, enough rambling, let's get on into the video. As you can see, I've already done my base makeup and my eyebrows. As that's not the main focus today, it's all about the eyes, the gemstone. I wanted the video to be more based on that and not my base routine. If you want to know my base routine, I'll tag it up here and down in the description so you can go check it out. But the foundation I did use, if you were interested, was the Avon True Colour Foundation and the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. Can't get over my voice, bit weird. It's going to be funny to watch this back and edit it, let me just say that. Okay, let's get on with the eyeshadow makeup. So today I'm going to have like a blown out colour eye, and then I'm going to add rhinestones on top of it. So for this, of course, going in with the Carnival 3 palette by Be Perfect. And I'm going to take this shade here called Pink Lily and put it all over the lid in that crease. And then probably use a lighter colour to like fade it out. I don't want to go more of a wing look today. I want to keep it like based on the eyelids. But let me show you what I mean by that by applying this eyeshadow. For this, I'm picking up the product on a Morphe brush. This is a Morphe M456. Picking up that Pink Lily shade, tapping off that excess, and then going straight in onto that lid. Building that colour up but staying in the centre of the eye. So I am recording this 2 days before my birthday, which is crazy. It's come around so quickly. By the time you see it, it would have been my birthday and I would be 22. So happy birthday to future me when I edit this. Now I got that vibrant pink shade on there. Let's come up with another pink shade to like fade it out. There's quite a few in this palette and I'm really not sure what to go for. I don't know. I'm thinking Bear might be. Or even lilac, because it has got like, I know I say lilac weird, it's lilac. This shade here, it might be cool. I think I'm going to go with the lilac shade. So picking that up on a fluffy brush, again tapping off the excess and then blending it on. Just in little circles, blending it out. I'm trying not to go for a cat eye, but more of a rounded look today. So this look is planning to like, is meant to be super simple, but like super vibrant to get those colours, as this is for festivals and you're going to be in a tent. It's going to be difficult. Actually looks really cool with the pink and then the purple. Wasn't expecting it to look exactly like that. But I am going to go in and pick up some of this shade called Bear here and just apply it on top, lightly pushing down and smoking it out. Now to just add a little bit of sparkle, but not take from the rhinestone look, I'm actually going to pick up this shade here called Pearl with my finger. And then just put it on the middle of my eyelid. Just pressing it down over the pink. And then blending it out with that fluffy brush. Just to add some dimension to the eye, but not take away from the rhinestones. So I'm going to complete one eye completely, and then I'm going to do the other one off camera, like I usually do. So it's time for rhinestones, just like my top, but a bit better. This is what I've got. I've got a pack here of all these different gems. So the bottom ones are mainly silver, and then these ones are kind of like, is it iridescent? The ones where they got like more colours in, depending when the light hits. And then I've got a pen here, which has a wax bit at the top and like a metal needle. I like easier to pick up the gems, but I'll show you as we go along. I did get this off of Amazon, and I'll try and remember, and I'll link it down below if you did want it. Not sponsored, but this is a great product. So my aim is to put like a few gems in this corner and then a few in that corner. And then the same on the other eye. Nothing too bold, not too tricky. You don't have to get the placement perfect, as I wanted to go for a more easier look today. But let's try it out. So that isn't much of the plan that I have. The plan, that's it. So everything else, I'm winging it. So let's pray with me or bear with me and let's do this. To stick these rhinestones down, I am going to be using lash glue. This is the Duo lash glue. It's very great, a bit dirty, need a new one, yes, but who cares? Now, do we start here or here? Let's start in this corner because I think it'll be more difficult. So I'm just going to apply the glue in that area. This might not be the right thing to do, but for me it works. So on that area, slightly in the lid. Don't get it in the crease like I did, or otherwise you will be very sticky. For the rhinestones, I am going to take the two smallest ones, as I don't really want to use big ones in the inner corner. It'll be quite difficult. Don't really know how to record this, but I've got the pen, the wax tip. I'm going to pick up the gem. So just like that, I've got the tip of the gem here and the flat side on that side, and then I can just push it in. So I've got it. The glue should be on there. And there you go. And then you just continue with the process. I guess the hardest bit about this is picking up the gems, because I try to make this look so it'll work in a tent. As long as you've got a flat surface, like a makeup palette that you can put the gems onto, I think it'll work. Just guessing where they should go, really. I don't want them like super neat. I don't want them in a pattern. I want them quite random. But at the same time, when I normally add them, I just keep going and going and going. I don't know when to stop. Okay, cool. So now I've got the center done. I kind of want to add one like out here and down here. So I'm going to add some glue to those areas. So picking it up and applying it. And that's it for the inner corner. 12 gemstones on. Now what I want to do, I'm going to apply some glue here and add a few there. Probably not as many as I did on the inner corner, because I don't want it to pull down my face. But yeah, let's see. Same process, lash glue, applying. So you can also use latex, but I decided to use lash glue as most people have lash glue and not latex. Just anything sticky that is safe for your skin. So picking it up, let's get applying. The weather's so great at the moment, I really do hope it stays like this before the festivals, because I'm going to dress up and I just need that good weather. Otherwise I'm going to be in a coat all the time, hiding my outfit, and we don't want that. Last rhinestone, I think. And we're done with that eye. What do you think? I love it. It's cool, fresh, edgy, great. So let's continue on this eye. I'm going to add some mascara, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Big Move Waterproof Mascara. You don't need to watch this, you know, you just do this. Simple, okay. So 1 second. Now last step, let's add some lashes together. Taking that lash. These are just some cheap ones from Amazon. And just applying it like so. Making sure the inner and outer corner is stuck down, and then squeezing it together. And there's one eye complete. So I'll be back in a jiffy with the other eye done. And I'm back with both eyes done. What do you think, guys? I'm really loving the look. It's cool, it's festival vibes, and that's what we're going for. So yeah, we'll rock it. Okay, let's do some lips together now. So I want something nude, something that's gonna go with the pink, but also not take away from my eye look. So I'm going in with these two products. So this is the NYX Suede Lip Liner in the shade London. And then I believe this is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade 55, which is Driver. So let's line our lips. Or line our lips. I'm lining my lips. If you're following the tutorial, line yours. And now that they're super overlined, let's add the lipstick. Lips have now got a lipstick and liner on. I feel like it just needs a gloss. So what better to use than a NYX Butter Gloss? And I believe this one's Fortune Cookie. Yeah, this one's in the shade Fortune Cookie. So there is actually one last step I wanted to do with you today, and that is highlighter. I wanted to put a nice blinding, maybe 2 highlighters on with you. For this, I am going to be using the e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter. This one's in the shade Bubbly. What I'm going to do is I slap that because it's so jugular, but I'm actually going to take some and apply it to the back of my hand. From here, we can then take a beauty blender and pick up some of that product. And then we're just going to bounce it where we want the highlighter. So cheekbones is a must. And I want more highlighter, so let's apply some more. So taking a powder highlighter, this is the Revolution one in the shade Raise the Bar. Just picking some up on the brush and applying it over that liquid highlighter to create that glow. And here is the finished Rhinestone Festival makeup look. What do you think, everyone? Do you like it? Would you create it yourself? I hope I've provided some inspiration for your makeup look, or maybe even just taught you how to put gemstones on your face. So this is the second episode to this series. If you wanted to go see my last look, I'll leave it tagged up here and below for you to go check it out. Please let me know in the comments what you think of this look, and I hope you enjoyed this weather and this festival season. Let's go out and party. We deserve it after all this COVID shenanigans. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video and listening to my awful voice right now. Hopefully it'll be better for the next one. If you didn't enjoy the video, please hit the thumbs up, and while you're down there, subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it a lot, and I post every Tuesday, and you don't want to miss out on these awesome videos. So thank you again for watching. I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye guys!